First of all, select a country. Here select a category and city. Click on Get Data to get all information. You will get data in a well-organized manner that you can easily review received information. Click on Stop to stop all information. Click on Export Data to export business name, address and email, etc. Download and try our free automated softwares to collect important data from websites. Assign the task to software, and the software will work for you all the time. Automate your business now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon to get updates for new videos. Download this tool, link available in description.